Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday on this first alert weather day. Looking like a snow globe across much of the region. Beautiful if you're inside. A travel nightmare if you have to hit the roads for today. So some things to go over. Heavy snow in some areas for this morning. The snow will gradually exit to the north and east. Not quite so heavy as we head into the afternoon, but we are definitely seeing reduced visibility at times. Behind the snow, the wind is going to pick up, leading to blizzard conditions. We do have a blizzard warning out for some of our westernmost counties across eastern North Dakota. So definitely looking tricky if you have to be out on those roads. Here's a live look right now, believe it or not, at Dakota Magic Casino. I'll step out of the way, take this full screen. Blowing snow as that wind is starting to pick up. Visibility is very, very poor, so not a good day if you have to be out on those roads. So let's take a look across the region right now on a first alert weather day. Blizzard warning in these areas in hot pink, just to the south and east of Devil's Lake, all the way down into Jamestown towards the North Dakota-South Dakota border. That will remain in effect until 6 o'clock tonight. Winter storm warning also until 6 o'clock tonight for all the areas shaded in red, which encompasses the majority of our region, and a winter weather advisory down to the south. We're currently seeing a pocket of heavy snow in the Central Valley, continuing to move up into Grand Forks, Crookston, Ada, and then back towards Mahnomen and Fosston. And we're seeing additional snow overspread in Fargo as well. Not seeing too much wind yet here in the Central Valley, but just off to the southwest, gusting to 40 miles per hour in Jamestown right now. Oaks, wind is sustained out of the west at 35 miles per hour. And then down in Sisseton, close to where we saw that Dakota Magic Casino live Skycam, wind is sustained at 30 miles per hour. And this wind is going to continue to move up into our region as the snow exits. So no travel advised for today. Difficult to near impossible travel because some roads are closed. I-29 from the South Dakota border to the Canadian border, north and southbound, closed. I-94, Bismarck to Fargo, east and westbound, closed. U.S. Highway 2, eastbound from Devil's Lake to Grand Forks and westbound from Grand Forks to Lakota, closed. And then Highway 13 from the I-29 junction to Highway 13 to Wahpeton is closed as well, east and westbound. Here's the latest DOT camera image from I-29 in Grand Forks. You can hardly see the interstate, so good thing that it's closed because travel would be very, very difficult. I-94 in Jamestown can kind of make out where the interstate is, but look at these snow drifts as that wind will continually pick up. So if you must travel for today, here are a few things to keep in mind. Share your travel plans with someone. Let them know where you're going and what time you plan to arrive. Make sure your gas tank is full. I know it's not fun to fill the gas tank when it's snowing and blowing and cold, but it's important. Also, have your phone charged. Keep the winter survival kit with you as well, and a few things to keep in your winter kit to stay warm: blankets, hats and gloves, candle along with some waterproof matches, some hand warmers. You might need some things to dig out just in case you end up stuck in the snow. Keep a small shovel in your car. Some cat litter to gain traction is a great idea. Some tow ropes, some jumper cables, and an extra pair of winter boots. Temperatures right now in Fargo are in the 20s, but once that snow stops falling later this morning, we'll see continually dropping temperatures through the rest of the day. Might see a few peaks of sunshine, but with that blowing and drifting snow, visibility is still going to be obscured. In Grand Forks, snowing for a few more hours into the early afternoon, and then same thing, turning cold. Here's a look at temperatures by 3 o'clock. Mild where it will still be snowing, turning very cold and very windy behind that snow. We'll continue to see that snow gradually lifting to the north and east throughout the rest of the day. And then look at those red arrows. That's where we'll see gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour. Wind finally diminishing later on tonight. So by bedtime tonight, things looking a little bit better, but looking very, very cold. Let's take a look at that 7-day planner. Additional snow Tuesday between 2 and 5 or more inches. Not a first alert weather day, but additional first alert weather days, excluding Saturday for Arctically cold, bitter air. So get ready for a tough week ahead, Bobby.